Pandora Street. You can see that this is the beginning of Chinatown, right? Notice the street signs are different and there's banners across the street. There's some totem poles though. And this is the McPherson Playhouse. So the street lights have changed shape and there's no longer flowers hanging from them. They have fan. And there's the gate. That's the entrance to Chinatown officially, although these buildings look like they're part of Chinatown also. So it's the whole area, several blocks in each direction. Come across, got 8 seconds. Look at. So there'll be more shops, more restaurants, and more bars. So we came through the gate. Of course there's Chinese stuff here. Fantan Cafe, Chinatown Red Lantern Tattoo, and people always say, where's Fantan Alley? And it's right there. So it is marked, but it is an alley. Just, I see a red door. Okay. Right? And on the alley there's shops and restaurants and bars. Arts Content, Best of Both Worlds, Turtle Express Designs, Triple Spiral, Educate. Oh, this is the Victoria Chinatown Museum. Turntable, record store. Whoa. Stick that in there. And then come over here.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Hi. So record store. CDs. Records. Disraeli Gears. Huh. Pearl Jam. New York City. Hey, the Let It Be box set. 5 LP edition. I have the original. Turntable. Spiral Sense. This is a really small store. Yeah. The Umbrella-torium. Well, I don't know if I've ever seen an umbrella store before. Now, you can go out that way, or you can see more stores by going this way. And a candy shop, I believe. Organic fair trade chocolate, yeah. And a coffee shop, I guess. Now Government Street is right there. And the McPherson Playhouse is right there. So we just made a big loop, right? Virtuous Pie, hey, pizza. Oh, and ice cream. Anyway, we're heading down. Let's cross here. This is Pandora. And that is a bus coming full. He's stopping. We're gonna head down to Wharf Street, right down there, and walk along the water back. But first, we're gonna go in here. So more shops, more restaurants, and a really weird smell. Click. Market Square is smoke-free property. Locally made arts and gifts. More shops and washrooms. So I think they've lost their E. Market Square. I guess it sounds the same though. Victoria Paper Box Building. Of course, we're still heading down to Wharf Street, but now we're on Johnson Street and the Paper Box Arcade, and so more shops in there. Oh sugar, oh sugar. I found a duck. Oh, toy store. Organic skincare. And of course, we're leaving Chinatown now. Well, we're at the corner of Johnson and Wharf Street. Got your Salvation Army here. That's the Johnson Street Bridge is the only name I can see for it. So I imagine locals call it something else. And those are giant tulips, I think. Statuary. But the water is right there, the harbor, the inner harbor. Came down Johnson Street, that's Wharf Street going across there. Walking down these stairs. Going to see how far we can get along the shore here. Let's check out a map. You are here. Well, I don't think I'm in the water. See, there's Wharf Street. There's the Empress. So, maybe? Got some graffiti. Fancy graffiti. If you look way across there, that's Fisherman's Wharf, right in the middle of the screen, approximately. And are these just building a building here, a floating building? I guess they have to be built, right? I don't know if it's going to be a home and go somewhere else. Maybe this is the floating home factory, right? Here's a restaurant. Called Lido Bistro. And the BC whale watching tours. 2:30. So whale sightings guaranteed. She said it's 169 Canadian, but that the 2:30 may not go because there's not enough people in it. By the way, we're on the walkway. So see the float plane there going out? Once he gets around that point, he'll aim left and take off. Well, now we're on a wooden bridge. I don't think those waters are troubled. Victoria Kayak. A lot of people eating here. So we're here now. Remember, the Empress is there. The ship is here. This is a busy joint.
Carlos, do you have a so sad?
I don't see a... Wow, look at the line to order. Red fish, blue fish.
You gotta hit one of those guys.
Oh! This is a private facility, no public washrooms available. So there's the red fish, blue fish menu. A corn dog sandwich. Victoria Harbor Airport, right? For float planes. And Flying Otter Grill. So there's the Flying Otter Grill. There's the fun bags. And we're back to the Inner Harbor. You know, there's the Fairmont Empress, BC Museum, and the government building. There's some whale watching and gift shops, restaurants, Milestones, Grill and Bar. That's the Fairmont Empress, right? Here's a water taxi stop. A lot of tour things. Prince of Wales, see that boat, the yellow one? Of course, if you go up there, you're on Wharf. Well, this is where Wharf becomes Government Street. Government runs down Beacon Hill Park to Ogden Point and then back to the ship. Now there's more people down here selling stuff. Oh, the ferry's leaving. Hope you didn't miss it.
Oh, those are lovely.
Oh, you do? Yeah, so does my husband.
okay for you?
Yep. He started the girl husband thing. Oh, I do.
This is his first ring.
Yeah, so.
These are just things to stand up or hang on your wall. So, we're here. We're going to walk down Government Street to Beacon Hill Park and then get Dallas and go back to the ship, which is right there. So I call this the lower level of the Inner Harbor, but officially it's the Lower Causeway Promenade, right? There's the map I just showed you. And there's the table. So we're leaving the Lower Causeway, going up to Government Street. The Empress Hotel. And the government building, the BC Museum. We're going to head down this way to Beacon Hill Park.